How to use Google Authenticator for Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can use Google Authenticator on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Google Authenticator is primarily designed for mobile device, but you can still use it on Windows with some alternative. Since we don't have direct access to Google Authenticator application on Windows 11, we can only find the application on our mobile device. So some of the alternatives that we can try out is going to a browser on Windows, or you need a web-based or browser extension alternative, because the Google Authenticator itself doesn't have an official browser version. So here's how you can use Google Authenticator in your PC or laptop. So for that, you have to open up your Chrome browser, and if you're logged into your Google account, so click on your profile at the top right, and from here you have to go to the Manage Your Google account. So once you're under this page, now navigate towards the left hand side and click on Security, and here scroll down a bit, make sure that your two-step verification is turned on. After that, if you keep on scrolling, there you have another option as Authenticator. Click on it. After that, for the verification, it might ask you to enter your password. So all you have to do is enter your password. Now once you're verified, it says instead of waiting for text message, get verification codes from an Authenticator app. It works even if your phone is offline. So from here, click on Set Up Authenticator. Now you have to install the Google Authenticator application in your mobile device, and you have to open up the Google Authenticator application in your mobile device. After that, tap on the plus icon and you have to scan this code right here. Once you scan this code right here in your application in mobile device, you will get some code. So once you have that code, click on Next, and you have to enter the 6-digit code that you see in your application on your mobile device right here on this text box. After that, click on Verify. Or if you don't have if you don't want to scan, if you click on Set Up the Authenticator and click on Can't Scan It, here in this section you will see some email address and this key. So in your application in your mobile device, again tap on plus and then tap on Enter a Setup key. So under that, you have to enter this key with your email address and make sure the time base is selected. After that, tap on Add to Finish, and once done, click on Next. Again, you have to type in the 6-digit code generated in your mobile application from the Authenticator application, and click on Verify. And this is how you can use the Google Authenticator in your Windows 11. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.